Yo, what it do? Thank you for coming. This is part 2. We are going over the intro, breakdown, and the build-up of my song Galactic, which is out now on Spotify, Soundcloud, and everything else. So download it, get it. It's gonna be nice. The last video we covered the drop, all the basses, and all those basses are on my Patreon, so you guys can get that if you need. Otherwise, let's get into this and let's check out the intro and how I made this. I want to show you how I arranged everything. Listen first.
Outer space.
Nice. Yep, that's what we're getting into. Let's go ahead and check this out. Let's see what we did here. So in the last video, you guys saw that I made the drop chords. These drop chords are an F sharp minor. These are what they look like here. So basically, we're going to get these similar chords, and we want to bring them into the intro. That's what we did here. This is going to be the basis of the whole song, right? This is the harmony. So we have these playing. This is the first chord. This is the second chord. We have one passing note. This is repeating once, twice. After it repeats, we repeat it again, but we bring it down an octave. Instead of it being up high, we bring it down one octave. We add variation. When this comes, that's basically when the building starts. Cool. So I change it up, make it darker as soon as the breakdown comes. You'll see here the chords are playing for an easy 16 bars. At the beginning of the song, I kind of have like this effects section. So it's like impact, and then we like get brought into the song. When it starts, I have these little glitches that are just playing with reverb and a lot of delay. So like it's adding a lot to the stereo field, to the space. These glitches are going to be playing throughout. Now while the chords are playing, there also is a lead playing. We're going to mute this for now, get back to it. But when it's playing, we have vocals as well as a brass. Now this brass we're using dynamically, so I'm automating this filter to have it filter out, filter in. So it's opening up slowly. This is adding a lot of movement. So you'll see I pitch this to +1, so it's playing F sharp. That's the root note. Then I move this to -4. So I'm basically making it go down. It goes up and then down. I'm staying in the scale, staying in F sharp key. So the brass will start to open up and it'll close eventually. It'll stay like this all the way up until the drop. So that brass is important. It's holding it down. We also have a sub playing with the re-space. So the re-space, this will be in the Patreon. And then this is the sub, which will be in the Patreon as well. So this is playing the root note first, F sharp. We're going down to D, going up, down, simple bass line. Now this bass line, as long as you're using notes that are in like the same notes that you're using in the chords, like D, F sharp, C sharp, then the bass line is going to sound really good with those chords. When we get to the breakdown, we have a new bass starting to play, just adding some speed and movement. When the breakdown starts, we also add this riser that starts to... So we have impacts, then a long riser, and then halfway through we have the main risers start to come up. Building tension, building energy. Pre-drops right there. While those are building energy, we have the drums coming as well. So I'll always have a kick. When that kick is playing, I'll have a filtered snare going. So I'll have a snare, and I'll be filtering it. So to go regular speed, it'll start to get faster, start to get even faster. It's just filtering in. Then I'll just add like a build-up loop. This is the ivory build-up loop. Just more snares, more claps. You hear the snares are pitching. It's important to have pitching instruments as well. So we have those playing, building a lot of energy for the build-up. At the beginning, we have these vocals from the Koi pack. I have no idea what pack this is from. Been trying to find it. If you watch my last vocal video, you can get these Vox Comp, learn how to make these Vox racks. Lots of reverb, lots of compression. And then we use the auto filter to bring it all in. So it slowly opens up over time. So you can hear everything. Then I'll use little Ultra Boy to make it pitch down like this. So when the breakdown starts, we'll have cool pitch down effects, make it sound cool. Cool. Now you don't hear the lead right now, so I'm going to turn the lead back on. So this is the lead. It starts with the root note, F sharp, and then goes down. Then we go back up. Simple pattern. Just repeat that pattern.
Outer space.
Well, so as this melody is building up and the drop is building up, this last note that we play is the root note, F sharp. So when I have the drop start, I want that F sharp note, which is the root note, to play right away. So basically we're building the progression and right before the drop comes, we have these melodies coming down the scale, and then it ends at F sharp, which is the home. We get a perfect transition into the drop. And then since these chords are playing the D note and the F sharp note, it would be a perfect transition with this D sub and the D basses. That works very well. Seamless transition. Easy chords. You really don't have to worry much about this stuff. Hit me up in the Discord if you want me to help you with anything like this. You know, we get down. Always a good time to learn. This is how you make the intro, make things melodic. This gives feeling, harmony, and melody. Rock. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Have a good night and stay fresh. Peace out.